Hi everyone. If you don't want to invest your money buying the subscription of MS Office product, so this video is for you. In this video, we'll show you how you can install MS Office on your laptop or desktop. Uh, Officially, I will not show any crack version or any other trick, but officially we will install MS Office in our system. So let's see how we can do that. So first, make sure you don't have any MS Office product installed on your machine. So you just go to Control Panel and then go to Program and Features. Over here, you check, make sure you don't have any MS Office product installed. So if you have any product, uninstall it and then restart your system. And then what you have to do, you have to go to Google and then search Office Customization Tool. So once you search Office Customization Tool, go to the first website. Over here, what you have to do, this first two option we have 32-bit and 64-bit. So as per your system, you select the 32-bit or 64-bit. So I'm not going into detail, but just wanted to say that if your machine is very old, then you can select 32-bit, or if your system support 64-bit or it's a new machine, laptop or desktop, so you can select 32-bit in that case. So nowadays you can select a 64-bit and continue. So I'm selecting 64-bit, and then over here if you scroll down, make sure you don't miss any of the steps. See the video completely, because if you skip the video you may face issue. So one by one you follow the steps what I am doing. Then over here what you have to do, you click here, then from here you have to select this Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 volume license. This one only we have to select from here. So we are going to install Office 2024, so select this version from here. Then here nothing, you select, then scroll down little bit, and this is the version. Okay, so keep it as it is and then select the version. We need the latest version only, so don't select anything over here. And all these are MS Office product. If you want, if you can install all, or if you want, you can turn on all one by one, the toggle button. If, for example, I don't need Skype, Access, OnDrive, Outlook I need, Publisher I don't need, OnNote if you want you can select. If you select all these, this may take some time for installation. If you want, you can install, or if you don't want, you can skip. Okay, so for now I just need this 5 application. As per your requirement you can select from here, and then don't click next, just click on language, and then from here click on the select language. Then from here you select English United States. Okay, and then you can skip this and come to installation part. And from here okay, so this will download from the Microsoft MS Office portal only. Okay, so this is the source, and don't change any setting here. Update and upgrade, if you come here, simply you disable this option here. Okay, automatically check for update, this is okay, but uninstall any MSI version of MS Office. You uncheck this version because this may take time for installation and downloading, because it will download and install online. So disable this option, because this will take huge time. And then again click on license and activation, and here you will see here. So make sure you have selected KMS here. under the license, because this will activate using the KMS license. It will automatically provide a KMS license to you, so no need to activate or log in this product. If it is selected MK MAK, so switch to KMS. By default, it will be KMS only. Okay, so this is a very important option. Make sure it is KMS only. Then scroll down, no need to change anything here. Then come to general. Let me see, nothing here. Don't do any changes here. Application, here also nothing. Now what you have to do, just whatever thing you have selected here, you can see the right hand side, it is showing all the details whatever we have selected, application and all. Okay, language, all the details are reflecting here only. Okay, license detail is also reflecting here. So from here what you have to do, you have to click on finish. Okay, and then export. Okay, so once I click on export, then from here we have to select this option, office open XML format. Okay, so select this option and make sure you select the second option only, don't select any other option. Follow the step carefully or else you may face issue. Select the second option, office open XML format, then click on OK. Then over here you accept the terms and condition, and file name you don't change, it should be configuration only. Don't change this file name from here. After accepting, just simply click on export. Okay, so you can see file is exported. Okay, it is in the download folder. Now we need one more file, so for that we have to go to Google again. Okay, and over here office deployment tool you have to search. Okay, and open the first URL. From here, don't change the language, simply click on download. So immediately it will download a small file. You can see both the files are very small. Earlier also we downloaded configuration file, and then now this deployment tool, it is a 3.4 MB file. So once it is downloaded, simply go to the download folder, copy or cut both the file from here, and go inside C drive. And here what you have to do, create a folder with the name office 2024. Make sure your file name is like this only. Okay, here if you see O is capital, and after office it is space, then 2024. Okay, so now paste both the file inside the folder. And now what you have to do, once it is copied, this deployment tool, the second file, you just right click, run as administrator, click on yes, then click on this checkbox and then continue. Now we have to browse this location. So our folder is inside the C drive. Okay, so it is in the C drive. This is the folder office 24. So click on OK. Once I click on OK, file extracted successfully. So you can see two files is extracted, this one configuration file and this setup file. So this is extracted. Now what you have to do, next step is you click on a start menu, search CMD, run as administrator, then what you have to do, click on this bar and copy the path from here. Okay, and then come to CMD. Over here what you have to do, CD space and just right click, it will paste here. Okay, or you can type it here like this only, or I will share this command in the description. You can copy paste from there also, but make sure your folder name is like this only. Okay, and follow the step carefully, because if you miss any step you may face issue. So once pasted, hit enter here. Okay, so now you are inside this folder. So over here we have to run this setup file. Okay, this last one. So what you have to do, just type s and then tap from your keyboard, or you can type it like this, or I will give you the command in the description, you can copy from there. So then space, after exe space slash configure, then space, then type C and then tab. So configuration.xml. So this is the exact command that we need. So this is I pasted in the description also, you can copy from there. Hit enter. Now the installation is started. Okay, so here we need internet. Make sure you have the internet before running the command in the cmd. You should have the internet on your machine, and it will download from the internet. And once installation done, I will show you the status. So you can see it is started. It is not showing any error. Okay, so it is downloading and installing. So I will show you, and if you have any doubt, comment below. This is the official method. Using this we can use the ms office. Don't install any crack or any other version in your machine. It is totally depend on your internet speed, how much time it will take here. By chance, if you are facing any issue installing the ms office, you watch the video from the beginning again. I am sure you will not face any issue. One more thing, when this installation is started, make sure you don't close this cmd. Okay, if you want, you can close this window and other any other windows also, but make sure you don't close this cmd terminal, because it is running from there only. Now you can see it is showing you all set. Okay, so it is done, and now it is come to the folder again. Okay, so I'm clicking on close, and here you can simply close this cmd now, or you can type a command exit. Anything is okay. So now we will check whether it is installed or not. So what I have to do, I'm going to control panel, and I will see whether this application is installed or not. ms office 24. So here you can see ms office ltsc professional plus 24 english us. So it is installed successfully. So now let's check whether it is working or not. So just search word, hit enter. So as you can see, it is successfully installed and working fine. Even now it is not asking for any kind of license key or anything. Okay, so okay, so it is working perfectly fine. Let me save this file somewhere. It is on desktop. Okay, so you can see the file is created successfully here. So similarly I can use the other product also. Let me open the excel, because we selected excel also. So it is working fine. So if you have any doubt, make sure you comment below. We will reply to all the comments. And if you have more doubt, then we will collect all the details, and we will upload on more video in our channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.